Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another full deck challenge card. This is number 32, bird. I've got my little cutout bird here with some little flowers and one of his eggs, or her eggs, sorry. A little bit of grass for them to sit on. I've got my little label, I've got mushrooms, and I've got some collage paper, so we're set to go. So let's do this. I'm going to make the grass part of the collage, I think, just because I'm running out of ideas. Okay, I need a little glue board. Let's get some brown paper on this going. Got a big piece of brown paper to go on here, but that's okay. We can cover it up with something. A big blob of glue right in the middle of the hole. That's kind of clever. I might leave a... Oh, hang on. Wrong way, Ruth. I can't glue it down with glue on the top, can I? Well, this has got glue on the top, but not enough to stick it down. Now a little bit of music paper, and I'll tear those holes off this time. Try and soak up some of the glue off that and spread around some more. And I'll put that over there. Yes, I know it's upside down, but I'm happy with that. This is a collage after all, there's no right or wrong. Now a little bit of, that's a scrap of watercolour paper. I don't really want to use white on that, that's going to be too boring. Okay, where are you, my collage bag? I thought I had enough, but obviously not. I might put a little bit of orange on there if I can get it out. Yeah, that'll look nice with the bird on him. Yeah. Little bit. There's no right or wrong with collage, I'm discovering. Whatever you want to lay down is just fine. Keeping in mind my little yellow border. Now, what else can I put down? What else? What else? What else? What have I got in here? Oh, there's some of this snack paper that I had from the cardboard. Let's put some of that in there. Then I can say I've used it. I didn't clean my glue stick like I said I was going to the other day. Or the other week, whenever it was. Now we need some more brown. And I'm pretty sure I've got brown in here. Pretty sure. I don't want to put bronze. Oh, that's bronze. Okay. Where's the brown ice? Oh, that's kind of good. Looks like grass. I think it might be, actually. That's a different sort of grass. That's okay. Let's use some of that. We don't need a big piece. That will do. To go in there nicely, yes. Love it when a plan comes together. And turn you around and put you there. Now for the last piece of the collage, I'm going to put this green grass in there after I tear a little bit off, because I do want to still leave the border. I know I'm being a fussy pants. That's okay. I'm allowed to be. I am allowed to be a fussy pants sometimes. Okay. All right. Now, let's get my little bird in here. I'll put him on both sorts of grass, I think, because he's got a bit of a tree stump happening there. Can't put it there because it'll chop his nose off. Yep, there will do nicely. Come here, my little feathered friend. Quite some time ago, I took possession of basically it's a bird encyclopedia of Australian birds. And just recently I've been going through it, tearing them out. I'm trying to condense my stuff. So I'm tearing out most of I'm culling, let me put it that way. And I have got a small ice cream container that is very quickly filling up. It's rather wonderful. This was not one of them. Now, her little egg, I can put there. My label, I'm going to put that there. The little flower can come up behind her, which leaves this for the, oh, that's the wrong colour. That one's out. I have to find something else to put up there. Even that yellow's a bit bright. What can I tone that down with? Maybe some sepia. Oh yeah, that's working well. I like that better. That'd be right. I just dropped my blending tool. Excuse me while I pick it up. Where did you go? Oh, all the way back there. That's it. Okay. The lost is found. It's in its place. Ooh. Don't want that big glob sitting underneath that and making it lumpy. Okay, the little egg. Yep, that's dry. It's a very pretty little egg. It's got speckles and different shapes around the egg. It's very pretty. Okay, there's your egg, darling. I didn't take it away from you. The little flower. Dry, okay. Now I need to find something that I can carry over with onto the next card. So I'm going to have a dig around in my labels box. Let's see what we can find. Got a case of dropsy today. Just put that up there for a minute while I open this. This side catch is really difficult on my box to open. It's painful. All right, thinking mushrooms, but I don't want blue. Let's see what other colours I've got. Oh, I've got a pink, and another pink, and another pink. That's only just got colour on it. I don't want to put the vintage photo on that, not vintage, sepia. But what I can do is cut that off there and make it a little bit smaller to go in the bottom corner. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Alrighty, let's do this. Take it off there. That gives me another little piece for collage. And I can put that underneath the foot if I can get the foot up. Oh, yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What am I doing? Trying to push the glue up into an edge. I wasn't very successful. Have to, oh gosh. All right, you're going to be fancy pants. All right. That over there. Oh, nothing like rearranging the world after you've already got it set. That's what happens when a plan is not a plan, but it still comes together in the end, for which I am grateful. I rather like that. I do like that. Now, let's get some black on the edge, because I think that will look better than the sepia. I have to change my colouring implement. Done. Oh yes. That's making the whole thing stand out a lot more. I like. Terrific. That one there. I'll just pop that there while I bring the book on to the page. Oh, to the table, sorry. What am I saying? Bring the book onto the page. Oh dear. Right, one chunky monkey coming up. This is so big. It doesn't want to come up nicely anymore. Grab it by one page and pull. And here we go. Now I know that I have got birds in here. Let's find a page with birds. Oh, that's already got something on it. Let's find a birdie. There's little birds, but I don't want to put the card on top of them. That would look a little bit ugly. I know I've got birds in here somewhere. That's butterfly. It starts with a B. Does that count? That one's already got a card on it. Don't want to put it into succulents and cactus. Oh, we're into the second signature. use them all. There's flamingos. Third and last signature. That's already got that one on it. But it won't matter if I put second one on, will it? Although there's a lot of information here. No. Rooster. The colours are right. Colours are pretty good, actually. Okay, let's keep the rooster in mind. That one's even better. Okay. This is it, folks. This is it. Yay! I lost it. Let's put the giant peg up there to try and hold it open a little bit more so I can work here. Okay, no, I don't have to go below the camera. That's good. Oh, excuse me, please. Oh, the whole tape is all of it's coming up. The sticky as well as the backing. Where is it? There you are, my little friend. Bingo, got it. I knew I should have had this on the work part of my table. I just knew it. Okay, now I'll put this here so that this little one can look up. Now a pen. Now this is number 32, bird. Card 32. Now, if I'd thought about it, I could have got little sticker numbers and put that on there, but I didn't think of it, did I? Okay. Full deck challenge. Three. 2025. Card 32. Prompt. Bird. There we go. That's kind of lovely. I really enjoyed that. Thank you very much for coming along to enjoy it with me. I hope you enjoyed it. How about you drop me a message down below if you did enjoy it? And if you didn't enjoy it, let me know why. Okay, I'm going to love and leave you with those thoughts in mind. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, would you please consider it and hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so that you get notified when I upload. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. See you later.